Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create WooCommerce WordPress website with Elementor. So let's begin. Alright, to create the WooCommerce website in the WordPress with the help of Elementor, we're gonna do this in the simplest way and the easiest way to create our WooCommerce website. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, we're gonna go inside the plugins, and right now on my website, I don't have anything, it's completely blank. Okay, everything is on its default setting. Okay, so we're gonna do the things from the scratch. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin, and here all we need is the three different plugins. Okay, so first of all, we need to install Elementor. Let's just click on install now on Elementor website builder, and after this, what you have to install, we have to install WooCommerce, and now you will be able to see WooCommerce at the top of the search. So we have to install this, and in the last I need to install one more plugin, okay, which is starter templates. So we have the starter templates at the top of the search, so we have to click on install now. All right, so now what we have to do, we have to go inside install plugins, and after this what we have to do, we have to activate our Elementor, starter templates and WooCommerce all together. So we're gonna basically click on bulk action, and in here I'm gonna click on activate and click on apply. Alright, so here you might need to do some configuration on the Elementor or maybe also on the WooCommerce, but if you want to skip this, you can simply click on close here and you'll go back to our dashboard in the WordPress. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can simply do that, but if you want to skip that, you have the option to skip it. Okay, so now what we have to do, the first thing that we have to do is we have to go inside the appearance, and now we have to go inside the themes. So in the themes, actually you have to install one theme, which is Astra theme. Okay, we just have to install this and activate this. So I have already installed this, but if you haven't installed this on your WordPress website, you can simply click on add new theme, and from here you simply search for Astra, and you'll be able to see Astra theme here that is already being installed. But if you haven't installed it, you will be able to see the option of install just like this. But now what you have to do, we actually have to activate this. Okay, so we're gonna simply activate this. Perfect. So we have activated our Astro theme. Okay, so I think I would need to update this now as well. All right, so after this, what you have to do, you just have to go inside the starter templates that you can see in the appearance. So we have to go inside there, and there you will be able to see bunch of different WooCommerce template that are ready to use. So you can simply use them on your website directly without doing any kind of design or any work. And along with that, you will also be able to get some dummy data as a product, which you can edit and delete later. Okay, so right now what we have to do, we have to click on build with templates, and now we have to click on Elementor. All right, and in here I'm gonna go inside the e-commerce, and here you will be able to see a different options here for the template. Okay, now based on these templates or the based on kind of e-commerce business that you have, you can choose any template from here. Some of these templates are actually the part of pro version, some of them are actually free to use. So right now we're going to actually use the template that are free to use. All right, so I think I can use this custom printing template for our website. So we're going to simply click on it, and here, if you wanted to upload your own logo, you can simply do this. If you want to change the font pair, you can do this from here. If you want to change the color palette, you can do this from here. So I think I'm gonna go here with the default one because that is matching with the logo color. So we're gonna click on continue here. You can simply click on continue, or you can also skip this step. So we're gonna continue this. Now we just have to check on this and click on submit and build my website. And then it will start building our WooCommerce website, and after this our website will be ready to use. All right, so our WooCommerce website is ready. So now we're gonna simply click on visit dashboard, and from here you can simply connect your payment method by connecting your Stripe account, but right now we won't be going into it. So now what you have to do, we're gonna simply click on our visit store, and now you will be able to see our store here. Okay, so you can see our store and it has these dummy products here. So if I just click on any of these products, you'll be able to see we are having add to cart, we are having related products, we are having reviews, we are having description. So we have all the details that we need for the e-commerce store. So now we can simply click on add to cart here, and this product will be added into our cart. Okay, so we can simply click on view cart, and now you will be able to see that we are having our personalized mug here. Okay, so this is how you can proceed to checkout, and after that, if you have connected your payment method, then you are good to go. Okay, but right now we're gonna go back, and we're gonna also learn how can we add the new products, since these are the dummy products, right? So we're gonna go into the products and click on the all products, and here are the all products that are added with our template. Okay, so if you want to delete all of them, you can simply delete them from here. And if you want to add your own product, or if you want to import the list of the product that you have, you can simply do this. If you want to export it, you can also do that. But right now we're going to simply click on add new product, and here I can simply write down any, let's say, product here. I'm going to write down black t-shirt here. All right, and here I can add the description of our product. So I'm going to write down black t-shirt description, and after this you have the information about the product. You can add the product data here, so in which you have the journal option, on which you can simply add the price, and after that you have the inventory, and after that you have the shipping, link products, attributes, advanced settings, and get more options. And after that you also have the product short description. So if you want to add the short description on your product, you can simply add it from here. And after this, if you wanted to add the product image, you can simply click on set product image here, and you'll be able to see the images in your media library. And if you wanted to search the images from the internet, you can simply do this from here. And all of these images are actually copyright free, so you can simply use them without any worry. And if you want to upload your own images for the product, you can simply upload it from your computer. Okay, so right now we're gonna go here with the media library. So I think I have the image that has the black t-shirt, so we can go here with this one, and we can simply click on set product image. And in the similar way, you can also add the product gallery as well. So right now I'm just picking some random images here, so we can go here with this one, and I would like to add more images, so we can go here with this one and also this one. Okay, so now our product is actually ready, and we can set the price of the product to the $20. And now what we need to do, we can simply go to the publish, and we have simply uploaded our product to our website. So we can simply click on the link here, and we can also go into all products, and you will be able to see our black t-shirt here. Okay, so this is how we can add the product onto our WooCommerce website. You will be able to see all the images here. So if I just click on this, you can see this. We are having our images here, and if I want to zoom in, I can simply zoom in from here as well. All right, so I think this one is taking time to load. We can go to the second image or to the third one. So this is how it actually works. This is how you can add the products onto your WooCommerce store. And if you wanted to add the new categories, you can simply jump into the categories, and here you'll be able to see the options where you can add the categories from here as much as you can. And this is how our WooCommerce store works. And this is how we can build our WooCommerce store with the help of Elementor in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.